Okay, this is Roger at Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. Let's take a look at this steam engine. I think this thing's pretty darn old. Here's the base of it we're looking at. Somebody put a couple new bolts in it. There's the old bolts down there. Looks like it was mounted and bolted in the boat with these situations here. Alright, let's see if we can't get this thing standing up without hurting ourselves. Let's take a look at this engine. I suppose you could call it homemade or one-off or blacksmith made, or somebody made it. Probably was only one of them. It's pretty interesting. This side here, as you can see a little better. There's your eccentrics. Looks like it definitely was used for something. I would suspect it was in a boat. And it was definitely used for many years. This thing has got some age to it. You look at the bolt, they all wore off, and the bolts were all looked like they made on centers on a lathe. Got reversing. I'm not sure what's going on up here. This is the exhaust, and I think this brings the exhaust around from the other side, which was either the bottom part of the cylinder or the top. I'm not sure. These screws have the bolt in the center, so you got to have a slotted screwdriver. There's our intake there, and somebody did a kind of a neat job. There's a drain up in there for the bottom cylinder. Yeah, let's see if we can make this old thing run. Plug in the boiler here. A little bit challenging to do it with one hand. Alright, we'll turn on the air. That gauge don't work, so don't pay any attention to it. There we go. I think it runs pretty good. This thing has definitely been around for a couple of years. Around the cylinder. Got some kind of a mechanism here on the reversing lever that doesn't do anything. There's reverse. The little engine runs good. I wouldn't be afraid to put it in the boat. I suppose a horse and a half or so. Nice little engine. Like I said, all these engines are available. If you just can't live without one of them, let me know. Can't get much better than that. Well, thanks for watching. Roger at Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. Catch you later.